Good morning dear students, welcome to my class. Today we are studying about second degree equation of standard 10. In previous year we have studied first degree equation. What is the general formula for the first degree equation? First degree equation is ax plus b is equal to 0. In this equation x be the variable. What is the power of x? Power of x is equal to 1. What is the power of x here? X raised to 0. In this equation, which is the highest power of x? 1. So, it is a first degree equation. Other specialities are a be the coefficient of x raised to 1 and b be the coefficient of x raised to 0. Can you say any example for the first degree equation? Yes, that is 4x plus 3, that is equal to 0. In this equation, x be the variable, power of x is become 1 and 4 be the coefficient of x raised to 1 and 3 be the constant number. Okay, now we start second degree equation. What is the general formula for the second degree equation? That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here x be the variable. Power of x is here 2. What is the power of x here? 1. What is the power of x here? X raised to 0. In this equation, which is the highest power of x? 2. So, it is a second degree equation. Other speciality is a be the coefficient of x square and b be the coefficient of x raised to 1 and c be the coefficient of x raised to 0. Then a comma b comma c are the coefficient of x raised to 2 and x raised to 1 and also x raised to 0. Can you say any example for second degree equation? That is 2x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Another example, 5x square plus 15x plus 10 is equal to 0. This is the second degree equation's speciality. From this second degree equation, next we are studying about the formula for finding out the value of x. Okay. What is the value of x in this equation? Value of x that is equal to x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Here a comma b comma c are the coefficient of x square, b x raised to 1 and also x raised to 0. Then again x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. This is the value of x. In the general equation is ax square plus bx plus c x raised to 0 is equal to 0. Next we start find the value of x, these problems. Here first question. What is the value of x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0? X square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Find the value of x. Firstly you write formula for finding out x. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Here a is equal to coefficient of x square, that is equal to 1. B is equal to coefficient of x raised to 1, that is equal to 2. And what is c? C is equal to 1. These values are applying this formula, we get the value of x. That is equal to minus, what's the value of b? 2, plus or minus root of b square. B is equal to 2, then b square, that is equal to 2 square, minus 4 into, what's the value of a? 1. 1 into, what is the value for c? 1. All divided by 2a. That means 2 into a. Value of a is equal to 1. That is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square. What's the 2 square? 2 square is equal to 2 into 2. That is equal to 4. Minus 4 into 1 into 1. That is equal to 4. All divided by 2 into 1 is equal to 2. That is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of 4 minus 4. That is equal to 0. All divided by 2. Here, that is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root 0. The value of root 0 is equal to 0 divided by 2. Here, minus 2 by 2, that is equal to minus 1. This is the value of x. Okay. The next problem. Second question. Find the value of x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. What is the value of x here? Firstly, you write x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. And find the value of a. A is equal to 1. Coefficient of x square. B is equal to 4 and c is equal to 4. Substituting these values in this equation, that is equal to minus b. Value of b is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of b square. B is equal to 4. Then b square become 4 square minus 4 into 1 into, what is the value for c? 4. All divided by 2 into, what is the value of a? 1. That is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 square. 4 square means 4 into 4. That is equal to 16. Minus 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 4, 16. All divided by 2. Again, that is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 16. That is 0 divided by 2. And here, that is equal to minus 4 plus or minus 0 by 2. That is equal to minus 4 by 2. That is equal to minus 2. This is the value of x. And the third question is 4x square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is second degree equation. Question is find the value of x. Similarly, we write the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. And find out the value for a. A is equal to coefficient of x square, that is equal to 4. And b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 1. Substituting these values in this equation, then that is equal to minus b. What is the value for b? 4 plus or minus root of b square, that is the 4 square, minus 4 into, what is the value for a? Here 4 into c, 1. All divided by 2a, that is 2 into 4. And that is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 square, that is 4 into 4, that is equal to 16, minus 4 into 4, 16 into 1, that is equal to 16, divided by 2 4s are 8. That is equal to minus 4 plus or minus roots 16 minus 16, 0. All divided by 8. Here, minus 4 plus or minus root 0, that's equal to 0, all divided by 8. Here we are get minus 4 by 8. In this fraction, one speciality is there. 4 is a common. So you are dividing with the 4. And simplifying this fraction, we get 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. Then minus 1 divided by 8 divided by 4, that is equal to 2. This is the answer of x, the value of x. Okay, the last question. Question number 4. Find the value of 5x square plus 15x plus 10 is equal to 0. 5x square plus 15x plus 10 is equal to 0. What is the first step? Firstly, you write the formula. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. What's the next step? You are finding out the value for a. A is equal to 5, b is equal to 15 and c is equal to 10. What's the next step? Substituting these values in this equation. That is equal to minus b is equal to 15 plus or minus root of b square. B is equal to 15 and b square is equal to 15 square minus 4 into, what's the value for a? 5 into, what's the value for c? 10. All divided by 2 into, what's the value for a? 5. That is equal to minus 15 plus or minus root of 15 square. That is 15 into 15. That is equal to 225. 225 minus 4 into 5. 20. 20 into 10. That is equal to 200. All divided by 2 5s are 10. That is equal to minus 15 plus or minus root 225 minus 200. What is the answer? 25. All divided by 10. That is equal to minus 15 plus or minus. What is the value for root 25? You know, root 25, that is equal to 5. All divided by 10. Here, two values are there. Minus 15 plus or minus 5 divided by 10. We write that minus 15 plus 5 by 10. This is the first value. And minus 15 minus 5 by 10. Here, minus 15 plus 5. How will you calculate? Your previous year you have already studied. That is minus 10 minus 15 plus 5, that is equal to minus 10 divided by 10, comma, minus 15 minus 5, that is equal to minus 20 divided by 10. That is minus 10 by 10. What's the answer? That is equal to, you are cutting this method, and that is equal to minus 1, comma, minus 20 by 10. Cut the here, that is a minus 2 by 1. That is equal to minus 2. So, the value of x are here minus 1 and value of x are another answer is a minus 2. This is the answer of this equation. Okay.